Welcome to our channel. Tracking sleep with your Whoop strap provides detailed insights into your recovery and helps optimize your training and daily performance. Here's how to use this feature effectively. Step 1. Ensure your Whoop strap is charged and worn correctly on your wrist. It should sit about 1 finger width above your wrist bone, snug but comfortable. Step 2. Download the Whoop app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Create an account and pair your strap via Bluetooth in the app settings. Step 3. Wear your Whoop continuously, including during sleep. The device is designed for 24/7 wear and is waterproof, so you don't need to remove it. Step 4. Before bed, check that your strap is synced with the app. Open the app to verify the battery level. The strap should have enough charge to last through the night. Step 5. Sleep naturally without any special setup. The Whoop strap automatically detects when you fall asleep based on your heart rate variability, heart rate, and movement patterns. Step 6. In the morning, open the Whoop app to view your sleep data. Wait a few minutes after waking for the app to finish processing your sleep analysis. Step 7. Review your sleep stages, including time spent in light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep, and awake time. The app also shows your sleep efficiency and respiratory rate. Step 8. Check your recovery score, which combines sleep performance, heart rate variability, and resting heart rate. This score indicates how ready your body is for strain and training. Step 9. Use the Sleep Coach feature to receive personalized recommendations for optimal bedtime based on your recovery needs and planned activities. Over time, Whoop learns your patterns and provides increasingly accurate insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.